All right, so there's no signs for the actual Oregon Needle Trail. It's the Fillmore Canyon Trail, so stay on that thing. Go through this little guard, just like Brenda did. You have to, do it in that fashion because it's fun. Fillmore Canyon Trail will jet off to right there. You see a sign. You need to just keep walking straight down this trail over there. Came up this way, right behind me, 180. Go that way. Or download all trails and follow the little red line. So this hike is approximately 6 miles, 7 miles. Last time I did it, it was 7 miles. And my Strava said it was 5,000 feet of gain, but if you do the math on a map, it's only about 4,000 in about 3 miles. This approach is really easy compared to the rest of it. This is where you can really make up like a lot of speed. You can really crush down some miles. We're already almost a mile in 24 minutes, which is really good because that means we're a third of the way to the top. But once you get past this kind of like frontage here, it gets very vertical. Get all the action. Yo, she just got stabbed by things. And they say, like, a lot of people in all trails say to wear pants and things. I'm not wearing pants because I'm an idiot. But yeah, you're gonna be going through a lot of spiky things, and it hurts. So tread lightly. Woo! Ah! Halfway to the top, which means we're halfway to halfway. It's starting to get steep. We're getting to the hard part here. So last time I hiked this thing, I didn't have trekking poles, and this time I got some trekking poles. And let me tell you, they're a lifesaver. Definitely going up this thing a lot easier. There's 2 more people in front of us as well. They haven't hiked this yet, so I'm curious to see what they have to say if we catch up to them. Apple pie layer bars.
Applesauce.
We got some dope bigger meals for the top that you'll see later. Always remember to bring electrolytes. This is the Noon Sport Plus Caffeine. Need a little caffeine. Cherry limeade.
And always remember to bring an air horn in case of emergency.
Go to our Instagrams. Mine's Brian Bear Butler. Bear like the animal. Brenda doesn't like talking about her social media.
No, I don't.
Sun's out. It got cold there for a minute. We're on a saddle, basically on the pass, if you will. Coming up from over here. This is where town's at, and over here That's the big Oregon mountain in the back. And the needle is right up there. So, took a little break here. Brenda's looking super stoic right now. Let's have a look. Oh my God, look at that. Stoicism. Jeez Louise. Good for her. Yeah, we're about to rock it up. Finish this hike. Get down and get what?
Burgers!
Woo!
And beer!
Woo!
Let's go.
We have entered the slab section. It's pretty good. It's really easy. It's very grippy. It's very nice. We're only like probably a few hundred feet above where we're taking a little break. We are super close to the needle. We just got to keep going up this slab and then go around and then climb a rope. A couple years ago when I was here, it was there's an ice flow basically all the way up this thing. And this year it looks like so far there's just like a tiny little baby bit of ice. But not quite up to where it's kind of really starts, so we'll find out. It's been a grind, people. It's been a grind. Super hard, but we're almost there.
So hard, so good.
Oh, we just got to the second saddle. It's a grind. There's no big ice flow like last time, so that's good. But yeah, we are. Las Cruces is that way. Alamogordo is that away. So I have to kind of go down this little thing here, and we have to go around, and then we have to climb up some rope. My mouth is really cold.
My teeth are cold.
Super cold. All right, let's finish this hike.
That was fun.
We did it! Oregon needle has been accomplished yet again. Oh, this is cool.
Oh my gosh.
Check this out. Support the troops. It is freezing cold up here. Ah. But we're here. Not the end, but we're gonna take a little break. I totally forgot I packed a Dr. Pepper and I screamed like a little girl.
I did not forget that I packed a wine. I was looking very much forward to it. Cheers.
Oh, sugar. We also have beef pasta. We're gonna heat up, get a hot meal, get down off this dang mountain.
Tucked into a cave so we're away from all the frickin' wind.
Yeah, it was cold up there. The wind was howling. There's clouds at eye level. It's ridiculous. Jetboil for the win. Jetboil gives you a nifty little 1 cup container majigger here. And we're boiling. Pack it in, pack it out. Beef crumbles with pasta noodles and marinara sauce.
Beef crumbles.
I will say, Peak Refuel is probably by far the best of the freeze-dry meals. These don't give me really bad gas.
Beg to differ.
Nah, they're not that bad. The other ones that you see at the store, like Backpacker's Pantry, or what was that other one? That almost bought. Either way, those kill your gut, but these are nice. These are a little more. This was like $12, but they give 1,000 calories instead of like 400, like the other ones do, and they give you about almost 50 grams of protein.
Technically 2 servings, but we're each eating one.
Yeah, you can totally eat one of these to yourself. It's really not too hard, especially when you've been hiking all day.
It's really good too. We had one of them on a hike in Utah, and it was fabulous. Great.
Fabulous.
Fabulous.
Here we go. We're boiling. Zip and shake. All this stuff at the bottom, all the crumble at the bottom gets stuck, so you gotta like really give it to it. Give it to it.
Give it to me, baby.
I'm so glad you did not touch the bottom of that.
I hate this.
You would have been fucked.
This is like, you hold the nail, I'll hold the hammer. It started snowing.
It's snowing. We're done with lunch. Ugh, I'm freaking cold. All right, we're gonna get out of here. I'm probably not gonna film a lot of the downhill because we want to get out of here. And
So we can go eat burgers
after
we ate all this shit.
But for now, that's the hike. I got 3 miles directly to the top from the car with the Garmin. Strava has said an additional mile. Apple Watch says...
Apple Watch battery died. Don't buy an Apple Watch. Legit.
Yeah, use a Garmin.
Batteries are shit.
Last forever.
Wow, it's legit snowing now.
Snowing. Wow. That's cool. All right, we're gonna get out of here. I'll pick the camera up when I can. All right. Well, that's where we were. It's sucked in now, so I'm glad we got down in time. That would have sucked. Favorite part?
My favorite part was when we got lost at the T. There's a cairn over here. We decided to go right, and for what, maybe 20 minutes?
That was a mistake.
Finally figured it out. We backtracked successfully because that one lady, she was amazing.
Oh, did you see her?
She's a beast, yeah.
Holy cow.
She passed us and then passed us back. Going back.
She came up on us, and we were like, oh, hey, you guys made it, because we thought it was you guys.
Yeah.
And
She was blazing.
Yeah.
She's
said
one of
like-
them ultra runner ladies.
She said she likes to run this course.
oh my
track.
God. We were
I
like,
know.
yeah, we're going to follow her.
Yeah.
Lost her in like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Like, we turned a corner, it was just, like, he turned around, looked at me, and I looked at him, and
Where'd she go?
There we are.
Yeah, so we probably went an extra 40 minutes, but other than that.